Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the CattleFax Closing Bell, brought to you by Zoetis. The U.S. beef and cattle sector is not alone when it comes to market prices reaching new all-time highs. Pork producers are also receiving record high values for the products they are selling. The USDA pork cutout pushed to a daily high of $137.09 per hundredweight earlier this week, and will end the week averaging more than $135. That's a $36 per hundredweight increase compared to the same week last year. The pork cutout has been supported by demand that is up 16% year to date compared to the same period last year. While the 5-year seasonal for the pork cutout generally peaks in early August, the tighter summer supplies could support prices longer than normal. Last week's USDA estimated hog slaughter was down 7% compared to the previous year. This is likely the first sign of losses from the porcine epidemic diarrhea virus that infected the U.S. pig crop this winter. Market hog losses of this magnitude cannot be offset by the carcass weight increases of nearly 10 pounds lately, resulting in year-over-year production shortfalls around 4%. Higher beef prices in recent weeks have actually looked cheap compared to the record highs established in the pork market. The price ratio between the beef and pork cutout has been near historically low end of the range, with composite beef cutout prices around 1.8 times the value of pork. Seasonally, that ratio increases into the end of the year, but its move this year will depend on a variety of factors. Demand for pork, both in the United States and globally, will be important to prices. Also, pet virus losses, record annual carcass weight increases, and eventual expansion efforts will all influence pork supplies more in the next 6 months. The U.S. beef sector is not alone immune to market shocks of its own this year. Look no farther than beef demand, non-fed beef production shortfalls, and herd expansion. Wholesale meat prices have the potential to be volatile in the second half of 2014. The beef and pork price relationship will be important to watch as end users weigh their options against U.S. and global consumer willingness to pay for red meat. Values in the fed cattle market were relatively steady this week. Live basis sales in the South were collected from $155 to $156 per hundredweight, while trade in the North was from $155 to $157.50 live and $246 to $248 dressed. Feeder cattle and calf values were volatile this week, covering a full range from $6 higher to $6 lower. Slaughter cows traded steady to $4 per hundredweight higher, and boxed beef prices ended the week mixed, as middle meat losses could not be offset completely by higher end meat and trim values. The choice cutout ended more than $2 lower, while select improved less than $1. Corn prices were even to higher due to support from global turmoil and technical buying. Thanks for watching, and remember to visit CattleFax.com to become a member and receive the latest market news and analysis.
The beef business has never been for the faint of heart. The pressures are real, the risks are high, but the opportunities have never been greater. So how do you sort through it all to decide which way to go? For more than 40 years, CattleFax has led the way. Become a member at www.CattleFax.com. We're the time-proven leader in research, analysis, and information, equipped with the industry's most powerful database. Our team is impartial, objective, our vision is global, and our focus is you. CattleFax, the deciding factor.
As end